Good day, and welcome to our video explaining income codes on your IRP5 certificate. Good morning, Omar. Let us have a cup of coffee before we start the day's work. I see you look worried. What is the matter?
Morning, Melanie. Yes, I'm worried. I received my IRP5 certificate from Zinzi yesterday, but I do not understand all these different codes on my certificate. Do you perhaps know what all these codes are for?
I am not sure what all the codes are for, but I know who we can ask to explain it to us. Let me call Hazel at the salary department. She is always helping me with my salary queries. Omar, I have good news. Hazel is on her way to your office to explain the codes on your IRP5 certificate.
Hello, Omar. How can I help you?
Hello, Hazel. Please come into my office. I need you to explain all these different codes to me on my IRP5 certificate.
Let me explain to you what you will find on the certificate. Please make sure to keep your certificate in a safe place because the information is confidential. The first part on the certificate will have information on the year of assessment. For example, the 2023 year of assessment, the tax period, indicated by 02, and a 30-digit certificate number. The first 10 digits of the certificate number starting with a 7, indicating the employer's pay as you earn tax number, followed by the transaction year, for example, the 2023 tax year. The next 2 digits will indicate the period, followed by a combination of unique numbers and characters to complete the certificate number. The second part of the certificate will be all your personal information. For example, your name, surname, identity number, passport number, personnel number, income tax number, address, and your bank details. Remember, it is your responsibility to make sure all these details are updated at your salary department. Today, I will concentrate on the part where you will find all the income codes on the IRP5 certificate. Remember, this will be unique to you as an employee, as these codes may differ from person to person. The first code on your certificate for your salary will be displayed at code 3601. This will indicate your total salary earned for the period of 12 months. For example, from the 1st of March up to the 28th or 29th of February the following year. The next code, 3605, on your certificate indicates that you received a bonus from your employer. The amount reflecting at code 3606 indicates that you have received a commission income on your product sales this year. You have worked a few hours overtime this year. This income reflects at code 3607, well done, on your hard work. You have received a long service award as well. From the company, this amount will reflect at code 3622 on your IRP5 certificate. The next part on your certificate displays all your allowances you receive from your employer, as this will help you to cover your expenses or to compensate for specific working conditions. On your certificate, for example, it shows you receive a travel allowance as indicated at code 3701. It is your responsibility to keep a logbook, as this is how you will proof your distance traveled for business-related trips. Remember, SARS will not allow any claim against this code without a logbook. For this session, it is all that I can touch on, but I will explain the rest of the codes, including the fringe benefits and deduction codes, in our next session. Remember, for more information on the IRP5 codes, visit the SARS website at www.sars.gov.za.
Hazel, thank you for your explanation on what all the codes are for on my IRP5 certificate. I have learned a lot today. I am looking forward to our next session.
Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Watch out for our next video, explaining the deduction codes and fringe benefits on the SARS YouTube channel. #YourTaxMatters.